How to write a clear and concise summary. In this video, we will guide you through the essential steps to craft a clear and concise summary. Learn how to identify main ideas, avoid personal opinions, and use your own words effectively. Key steps to write an effective summary. Identify the main ideas from the original text. Avoid including personal opinions or interpretations. Use your own words to paraphrase the content. To start, read the original text carefully. Look for the main points, which are often found in the topic sentences and key arguments. For example, consider the passage. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence is often used to demonstrate the use of every letter in the English alphabet. Here's a model summary of that passage. The sentence illustrates the use of all letters in the English alphabet through the example of a fox jumping over a dog. Do's and don'ts of writing a summary. Do focus on main ideas and supporting details. Do use paraphrasing to express the original ideas. Don't include personal opinions or interpretations. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found these tips helpful in writing clear and concise summaries.